I was talking with some good friends the other day. These friends. And they asked if I had ever been to the Bike Shed in L.A. I had not, so I decided to take a look at their website, and sure enough, that upcoming weekend was Triumph Day. So my brilliant idea was to bring my Triumph back into the city on the weekend for what is supposed to be one of the hottest days of the year so far. You have to love weekend traffic. I was able to make it downtown in just over 62 minutes. I left super early to beat the heat, and it's a good thing I did, because by the time I arrived, it was already cooking. The Bike Shed Moto Company is housed in a huge warehouse in the LA Arts District. The restaurant serves weekend breakfast and brunch, lunch, dinner, and vegan menus, and they even do a traditional English Sunday roast. They have a tattoo shop, and a barber shop, and a large showroom for Bike Shed in-store retail. And of course, a crap ton of bikes. My only regret was not staying a couple hours longer to also have lunch and maybe hanging out at the bar for a couple non-alcoholic drinks before hitting the road. Because by the time I left, it was well over 90 degrees. honestly, it was well worth it to hang out with my good friend Claude and to possibly infect him with the motorcycle bug.
I so want to buy one now.
They're all-
See that one right there?
Yeah.
That's what I want.
Next time, buddy. Next time. Thanks for hanging out with me today, everyone. Like always, ride safe.